Problem of the Day, Chapter 3, by Julian. Lesson 3.1, Adding Decimals. Okay, so for the first addition problem, the first thing you have to do is line it up vertically, like so. Negative 5.62 plus negative 12.9. Put your 0 as a placeholder. See? 0 equals holder. Okay? Then you add. So you add 2 and 0, which equals 2. You add a 6 and 9, which equals 15. So you put your 5, and you bring your 1 over to the 5. And 5 plus 2 is 7, plus the 1 is 8. So you put your 8. Then you do 0 plus 1 is 1. Then you bring down your decimal point and put it right there. And then you have to keep the common sign, so that would be negative 18.52. Lesson 3.1 continued. Subtracting decimals. So, for this problem, it is subtraction. So, you still have to line it up vertically, just like the last problem. So, you go 15.39 minus 2.6, and put your zeros in for placeholders, equals 9 minus 0 equals 9. 3 minus 6, oh, you can't do that, so you have to borrow from the 5 and turn the 5 into a 4. Give your 3 a 10, and then 13 minus 6 is 7. Put down your decimal. Then you do 4 minus 2 is 2, and 1 minus 0 is 1. So the answer to our problem is 12.79. So you do it just like that. Welcome to Julian's Math School. Today we will learn about fractions and adding. So, first things first, you want to take your 6 and your 3, and you want to add it, and you'll get a 9, unless you're dumb. Okay, then you don't add your 15s. You keep the 15s the same, and you just put your 15 over there right under the 9, okay? That's all you have to do. Welcome to Julian's Math School for subtraction and fractions. So, first things first, you write your 21 over 24 minus 1/2. You can clearly not do that. So what you want to do is you want to take the little x, and you want to get it on that. You want to delete it. Okay? Then you take your drawing tool. You go 21 over 24 and 12 over 24. Then you want to subtract 21 minus 12, which equals 9/24. You can simplify 9/24 by simply turning it into 3/8. Square that out so your teacher knows, and that's okay. So the first thing you want to do is you want to write out your fractions. So 3/4 divided by 6 over 7. Then, after you do that, Then, after you wrote that, you want to do 3/4 times 7, 6, which equals 3 times 7 is 21 over 6, over 6 times 4, which would be 24. So that would be 21/24. But we can simplify that with the 3's. So 3 goes into 21 7 times, 3 goes into 24 8 times. That's 7/8, and that's your answer. Welcome to Julian's Math School. Today we are going to do this. And so all you have to do is you have to do what you do to one side to the other side. So we crossed out that, as you can see. Crossed out this right here. And so then we added 5 6 and 1 6 and got 6 6, which equals 1, and that's all. Okay, so as you can see, this one is very similar to the last one. So all you have to do is do the same thing you did. You cross those ones out because you have to do to one side what you did to the other. Then you do 3/5 plus 1/5, which equals 4/5, and that's your answer. Now you're multiplying, so what you need to do is you cross out the this, just like you did before, and then you go 1 times 1 equals 1, 5 times 4 equals 20. 1/20, that's your answer. Okay, for this one you did exactly what you did to the last one, so you cross those out, and then you do 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 6 is 12, and that's all. Thank you for attending Julian's Math School. I hope you enjoyed.